Hi everybody. In this video I wanted to show you how to access OneNote on your PC or laptop. So first things first, you want to go to your App Store, which if you have a Windows laptop is the Microsoft Store. Open that and then search for OneNote. So we'll go ahead and look for OneNote in the App Store. And then if you go down here, you should see the OneNote app. Take a little bit to load. You may need to download and install it, and then once it's downloaded, you should be able to open it up directly on your laptop. All right, so when this opens, there's one important thing you want to do. You need to sign in. So if you haven't signed in already, just go to Settings, go to Account, and then make sure that you add your TCC email account. And remember, when you log in, you want your username at student.tacomacc.edu. Only faculty are allowed to log in with at tacomacc.edu. So make sure you do that. And then what you want to do is you want to go over to your main notebooks. And right now my main notebook for the spring quarter isn't open. And so I'll search for it under More Notebooks. So I'll hit that. And then what I'll do is I'll look for the Chem 263 Spring 2020 notebook. I'll select that. I'll hit Open. And the notebook should immediately start to sync if you have access to the internet. And in the main section tab, you'll see a category for each chapter of notes, so you can go back and review any of your notes, and you'll see your personal folder as well. So for example, if I'm working on my laptop and I want to download my work, I can go over to my folder. I can say, all right, I want to upload my problem of the day to be graded. I'll go problem of the day 0. I'll go over to Insert, and then I'll hit Print Out. And then when I do that, I can go ahead and select one of my printouts. So let's say I want to go ahead and, I don't know, just insert a fun pod. So I'll do pod 1 from winter quarter. I'll hit OK. It will go ahead and insert a printout on the page. I'll go ahead and grade this electronically in your OneNote notebook, and you'll be able to see any markups directly in your folder. Please note that your folder is private, only I can see it, not other students can see it. All right, so this is really straightforward. Like I said, please don't change the names. I already am going to pre-populate these for you, but if you rename these, it messes up my system of grading. So please don't change the name of any of these pages in here. Just upload to a page that's already created for you. All right, so now let's go ahead and see what we can do if we don't have the app and we just want to do the web interface. So if you just want to use the web interface, open your favorite browser. And I'm going to go ahead and open a private browser view. All right, and let's go ahead and just go to office.com, and we'll open up office.com, and then we hit sign in. And again, you want to sign in using your email account. So I'll sign in with mine. And if you want to stay signed in, just hit yes. And then what we'll do is we'll go to OneNote, the tab right here, and then we'll look for class notebooks. And we want to look for the correct notebook. So in this case, it's Chem 263 Spring 20. If we hit that, we can open it. And if you want, you can even bookmark this in your browser. That way you don't have to do this every time. Same idea as before. If I want to go over here and upload a problem of the day, I just hit the problem of the day tab. Maybe I'll go to problem of the day 1 this time. And I'll go Insert. Make sure you click down in this area, otherwise it won't let you insert anything into the title itself. And then we'll say, all right, I want to insert a file as a printout. And then I'll choose the file from my computer. And let's say, again, I want to go ahead and just insert a pod. I hit open and insert. And this actually works just directly from a web browser view. So if you have a Chromebook or anything like this, this is a really good method to insert files as well. I don't really care which system you use. You can use the web interface or the app, whichever one you prefer. I will say, if you look at the images in the web version, they don't look kind of as nice or polished as in the app version. For some reason, the images in the app tend to look a little bit better. So that's the brief overview on how to use OneNote on your laptop, but if you have any questions, feel free to email me.